Good medical morning. This is Watson, your mogul of medicine, from World's Greatest Medical on YouTube and at Greatest Medical on Instagram. Let's take a look at some incredible nose pops and medical moments. Before we get started, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell for all our updates. And stick around because I have a great Photoshop image for you at the end of the video. First, we see an incredible nose popping clip. These pores seem to be filled with sebum. I wouldn't call these blackheads. I would recommend that this guy try out a gold mask to clean his pores. I'll put a link to my favorite below. Speaking of noses, let's look at another nose that's been neglected for too many years. Comment below, do you think that noses like this need a better skincare refinement? Maybe a facial mask or two? This nose is being cleaned with a comedone extractor. And this example shows that clogged pores are no joke. While I show you a few more clips and some definitions, I want to thank everybody who subscribes to the page. And I especially want to thank the folks who subscribe, comment, and share our videos. I love making these videos and I wouldn't be able to do it without you. Our only source of income is our Amazon store, so please visit us at www.m7amazon.com. I'd really appreciate it. Now, lastly, let's check out this incredible Photoshop nose pimple. Nice. See you next time. Hey folks, today we're going to look at a 24 karat gold facial mask. You just apply it, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and peel it off. The intent of the mask is to restore collagen and clean out your pores. The masks retail from $20 to over $200 on Amazon. But I'm gonna put a link below to one that's under 20 bucks. And it's absolutely amazing. So, if you want to reduce your wrinkles and clean your skin, then pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link below. It's a great gift to give and a great gift to get.